This is going to blow your mind. Did you know that over 36,000 Indians came to Jamaica between 1845 and 1921? Initially, they were brought to work on plantations in places like Portland, St. Thomas, St. Mary, Clarendon, and Westmoreland. But after their indentureships ended, more than two-thirds chose to stay and make Jamaica their home. Imagine this. Indians becoming fishermen, barbers, and shopkeepers, intertwining their skills with the local economy. They even introduced ganja, rice cultivation, and spices like curry powder. Callaloo, which is now a staples in Jamaican cuisine, was also brought over by the Indians. Think about your favorite Jamaican dishes, curry goat and roti. Yep, thank the Indian influence for those. And let's not forget mangoes and tamarind, which they also brought to the island. Their cultural fusion is celebrated in events like Jonkonu and Hosei, showing how intertwined these communities have become. So next time you enjoy some spicy curry goat, remember the Indian influence that helped shape modern Jamaica. Out of many, one people.